Ito ay End Time Kogyo Chronicle.
Kogyo series.
Kogyo series.
Gawa ko yun eh.
Pamagat nito ay polygamy. Sabi dito, ang polygamy is true in the Old Testament. But in the New Testament, Paul exhorts those who are unmarried, let every man have his own wife, and let every woman have his own husband. That speaks of monogamy. Monogamy, isang asawa lang. For how can you have it your own if you share it with others? Paano ka magkakaroon kung makikihati ka sa iba? Ibisya, deacon must be blameless in husband of one wife. There are hints in the Old Testament of the original perfect will of God, and again a permissive will of toleration. Before the fall, they were created one man and one woman, as Christ said. In the beginning, it was not so. God advised to those in authority, do not multiply wives unto yourself. So you have to understand there was a fall of mankind in a restoration of original plan of God in marriage. There was a reason for the toleration of or the permissive will of allowing plural marriages. It is like Solomon harem, typing Yeshua bride, consisted of many saved individuals. Was married to them. But some,
Brother George, can you explain line by line?
basahin ko lang daw.
So, line by line,
Explain
two
ko.
lines, then
Okay.
you
Ito.
can expound what you understand.
Sabi doon, there was a reason for the toleration of the permitted way of allowing plural marriages. Ibig sabihin nito, mayroong kapahintulutan na magkaroon ng maraming asawa, plural. Tulad ng Solomon harem, yung bahay ng kanya, ng babae. Na tumitipo sa asawa ni Jesus, Yeshua. Consistent of kakuha ng maraming ligtas na bawat isa. But some examples in the Old Testament for those patriarchs who had plural wives shows family struggled with constant problems. Ang mga sinaunang mga patriarka na maraming asawa ay narating problema. When the sons of God saw the daughters of men and took upon them wives. Ito yung sa Genesis chapter 6. Son of God saw the daughters of men and took upon them wives. Kumuha sila ng kanilang mga asawa. Ibig sabihin, pag-wives, hindi lang isa kinuha nila. Marami. Nagpasarap isa. Ngayon, in the New Testament, Paul did not take them to divorce their extra wives. When he came to Yeshua, hindi nagturo si Pablo na iwalayan yung kanilang unang asawa, yung dagdag na asawa. But give a standard when he wants to hold a stewardship. Open. So that the new unmarried believers could be restored in the right perspective what to do. Eh, hindi pwedeng, sabi nga, pabayaan yung mga naging asawa, extra asawa nila, kundi bigyan pa rin sila ng parang pag-suporta dito. Believers could be restored in the right perspective what to do. You call that garbage, but you cannot explain Paul in Old Prophet statement. Must be husband of one wife, eat his own husband or wife, and thou shalt not multiply wives. So, hindi tinawag ni Pablo na magkaroon ng maraming asawa sa bagong tipan. Hindi niya, para bang hindi niya, hindi siya pumayag na magkaroon ng sabi ito, thou shalt not multiply wives, maraming asawa. As regards the permission to multiply wives, for not later, I already gave the answer to that if you're ready. In the New Testament, Paul did not step them to divorce. Hindi pinahintulot ni Pablo na magkaroon ng divorsyo sa mga yung extra wives. Dahil yun na isa doon, there was extra wives when they came to Israel, but give a standard when they want to hold stewardship. Example 6. Okay, so that the new unmarried believers could be restored in the right perspective what to do. If you understood it right, it is similar to say no more time. Of this ignorant God will ask, why does God not condemn Rachel for still adhering to her father Laban's idol? Ito naman ay, sabi nga, kung paano yung mga bago mag-asawa, yung wala pang asawa, nag-asawa, pinigyan sila ng sabi yung championship. Ngayon, yung championship, at sabi to, similar to say no more. Huwag ka na magkasala ulit. Dahil ito, at time of this ignorance, God will ask. Ibig sabihin nun, sa bagong tipan ay binuksan na ng Diyos ang kanilang isipan nila. Why does God not condemn Rachel for still adhering to her father's Laban idol? Bakit hindi kinundina ng Diyos yung paghahawak ni Rachel sa yung idol, yung mga rebulto ng kanyang tatay? Sabi ito, as for justifying getting naked, don't you believe there are ethics of the fool? There are things, ay ibig sabihin pala doon, yung yung pagiging hubad ay may apekto or may bahagi doon sa pagkasala, sa pagkahulog of the fall. There are things that God has instituted as a result of the fall. Now did God explicitly taught polygamy after the fall? Na kumbaga yung pinanghawakan ng Diyos na ituro yung polygamy pagkatapos ng pagkahulog. It is dealing with the people a progressive revelation. Ibig sabihin pala, yung mga ganung bagay ay may abanti na kapahayagan. Did he not make plain his perfect will not to multiply wives like the prodigal son? Is there not a perfect will in a permissive will of God? Ibig sabihin, yung nangyari na kapahintulutan ng Diyos ay isang bagay na may pinapakita yung pagiging yung nag-multiply ng asawa na parang pinapakita kung anong kalagayan ni Rizal ng right. Yun lang. By Sister Deep. You know what?
Series, baka madyalan, baka may series ka. Series.